So, Code Eden is, reading it now. I'm in chapter 3 of Genesis, verse 16. States, "In sorrow thou shalt bring forth children. Thy desire shall be to thy husband, and he shall rule over thee." Let's go Genesis chapter 3, verse 16. "Thy desire shall be to thy husband, and he shall rule over thee." That's speaking to womankind. Now hopping, we're going to see the mirror of that same code, hopping into Esther 1 through 2. "Every man should bear rule in his own house." Esther 1, 2, 2. Okay. So if you have Genesis code, you have Code Esther. Both codes re-establish the natural order of governance in the home. Both codes restore the family unit. Both codes annihilate the pseudoscience myth concept of equality of the sexes. That's just completely abolished under Code Genesis, which is simply replayed in the book of Esther. So we see the same code coming up again and repeating itself. Why? Because generations come and generations go, and when the Vashti movement arises, if you will, now we need to reestablish a code that we already know from time and time and time ago, but it's been broken. Therefore, in the form of legal document in the book of Esther, in the parliament, we now pick up where we left off in Genesis and basically rewrite the same thing. Slightly different wording, but the same message. Your husband will rule over you, Genesis message, and every man will bear rule in his own house, Esther message. So we see the same replay of this code, Genesis code and Esther code, mirror. Basically just confirm each other. They're basically just both confirmation of what is the one golden code.